Okay, raglan increases on the purl side of our work. So we've just one stitch before the marker, we lift the leg and hook that over the left needle from front to back and purl into the front of that new stitch, purl the next stitch, slip the marker, purl the next stitch, and then we're going to make our next increase and lift that leg from back to front over the left hand needle and purl into the back of it. And then we are going to purl up to the next marker and repeat that process. So every time we come up to a marker, we make one right, which is where we are purling or knitting into the front of our new stitch. And then when we do an increase after the marker, it's called a make one left, where we purl or knit into the back of our new stitch. Okay, so we're now back at one stitch before the next marker, and we're going to lift up that leg before the stitch again to make the new stitch, lift it over the left needle from front to back and purl into the front of it. Then purl the next stitch, slip the marker, purl the next stitch, and now we're going to make one left by lifting that strand up and over the needle from back to front and purling into the back of it. So that gives us a left leaning increase, raglan increase. And there you go. So now we've purled across to where we did our last short row turn, and how we know that is we come up to one of these what looks like a double stitch from the way we turned in the last short row, and when we reach that one we knit that together so it becomes one stitch, or purl it together in this case, and then we purl one more past that stitch, and then we turn our work and we're now on the knit side. And the first thing we do is slip the first stitch with the yarn in front, and we slip that first stitch purlwise, and then the next stitch is to take the yarn over the needle and continue knitting back along the row.